Today, we're diving into the world of photo editing with a head-to-head comparison of two popular products, Motionleap and Photoleap. Motionleap, formerly known as Photoleap, specializes in bringing photos to life with mesmerizing animations, while Photoleap focuses on advanced photo editing features. Let's explore their key attributes to help you choose the right tool for your creative endeavors. Let's take a look at these programs' main features. Motionleap features include animation capabilities. Motionleap empowers users to add dynamic elements such as moving skies, flowing water, and animated overlays to their photos, creating stunning visual effects. Intuitive interface. With an easy-to-use interface and a variety of animation presets, Motionleap streamlines the process of creating captivating animations even for beginners. Precise editing tools. The app offers precise editing tools for adjusting motion speed, direction, and intensity, allowing users to fine-tune their animations with precision. Social media integration. Motionleap seamlessly integrates with social media platforms, enabling users to share their animated creations directly from the app. Photoleap features include feature-rich editing. Photoleap offers a plethora of features, including advanced editing tools like layering, background removal, and AI-powered enhancements. Its intuitive interface makes complex editing tasks simple and enjoyable. Artistic effects. With Photoleap, you can add stunning effects and filters to your photos, transforming them into captivating masterpieces. From vintage vibes to futuristic looks, the possibilities are endless. Seamless integration. Photoleap seamlessly integrates with other creative tools, allowing you to enhance your workflow and achieve professional results faster. Mobile accessibility. Whether you're on the go or at your desk, Photoleap's mobile app ensures that you can edit your photos anytime, anywhere, without compromising on quality. Motionleap and Photoleap both offer subscription-based pricing models with options for monthly or annual plans. Motionleap's pricing starts at $3.99 per month or $19.99 per year, while Photoleap's plans begin at $2.99 per month and $35.99 per year. Each app also provides a free trial period for users to explore their features before committing to a subscription. Motionleap delivers a seamless user experience with intuitive interface and animation-centric features, making it ideal for users who prioritize creativity and visual storytelling. On the other hand, Photoleap caters to users seeking advanced editing capabilities and precise control over their photo enhancements, offering a professional-grade editing experience. Motionleap boasts intuitive animation tools that make it easy to create dynamic visuals perfect for users interested in adding motion to their photos. However, its focus on animation may limit its appeal to those seeking comprehensive photo editing features, similar to Photoshop. On the other hand, Photoleap offers just that, advanced editing capabilities, including layering and AI-powered enhancements, catering to users looking for professional-grade editing tools. Nevertheless, its extensive feature set may pose a learning curve for beginners. Alternative photo editing apps to consider include Adobe Photoshop, Express, Snapseed, and VSCO. These apps offer diverse editing features and cater to different skill levels and preferences. In conclusion, both Motionleap and Photoleap offer unique strengths tailored to different user needs. Motionleap excels in creating captivating animations with ease, while Photoleap provides advanced editing capabilities for users seeking professional-grade enhancements. Depending on your creative goals and preferences, choose the app that best aligns with your vision. Don't forget to explore the free trials to experience their features firsthand. Sign up for Motionleap or Photoleap through the links in the description, and remember to subscribe to Easy Internet for more insightful software comparisons and tips. Thanks for watching today.